back to another video. And today we are playing with a drone. That's what the drone looks like. I'll flick a switch so you can see it fly. So yeah, it's quite playing with the drone. That's pretty much fine because people say these things are indestructible, but when I test it, we're just going to skip light. I don't know how to fly this thing. The reason why I haven't made a video with this thing is because it was stuck up on a roof. It's really hard to drive, but once you get a hang of it, it's so easy. Oh, I thought it landed on the chair. Oh, MG. How did you land like that? You're literally standing by yourself and you are a fun edge. You're standing by yourself and this is how fun you are. This is how fun your sides are. What? Not even you're that fun. And you're standing. What? You're that fun and you're standing. I guess. Can I do this? It's gonna fit. Yeah, I thought that, guys. Never do that again. Woohoo! Ah! Bang, bang. It's stuck. It is stuck. No, it isn't. Anyways, this thing's really hard to fly, as I was telling you. It could actually be used for a flag if you try to not cut yourself. I know this doesn't need batteries. This takes a charger, but this needs batteries. As everybody. And it can even be too much. The glass did come off it earlier. I don't think it's on tight enough. That's just because this part here comes off and it annoyed me. And imagine this huge and just pulling you up by. Wherever there's out of range, but look, it's not in range. It's in range. You can even hear it. It's not in range. It's in range. Look, feel it? You can't even drop it, look. Ah! Ah, it's caught in the grass. So, that was drone flying. Well, not a drone. Helicopter flying with this. Hope you enjoyed. Oh! That landed on its wings. Okay. As I was saying, bye!